We all need a break, don't we? So it's important to take a break when necessary. So, yes, guys, welcome to my Chicago vlog. It's a reset and just a very chilled vlog, nothing too dramatic. So, guys, make sure you enjoy and grab a popcorn or
Say you kill yeah, so no. Rolling with Cody, that is swish. Shit, I just might kiss. Change your Twitter. The party gets me wetter, you know that I been lit. Cause her pussy the minute, she don't fuck with many niggas. She don't fuck with any niggas.
Chicago. Yeah, I just got here like some minutes ago, and you know, yeah. So I just want to rest for a while because I haven't really rested. I haven't like slept well, so I'm just going to rest and try to like edit the video I'm going to post. So yes, guys. Oh wow.
Do you want to go up there?
Yes.
Okay.
Like behind all those. All right, guys. So this is my talk to my YouTube people. This is.
Are you okay?
All right, say hi. What do you want to say? Don't say anything on my YouTube.
Subscribe.
Did you guys hear her? She said.
Subscribe.
I need my phone now. 18.
Oh wow.
No, that's her age, not your age. Yeah, this is the lake.
Wow, this is pretty.
I remember I got stuck here. I get a little bit wet.
How'd you get
I recommend you don't pass by here because there's mosquitoes.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so embarrassed. Up there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
We should put it this neighborhood instead of that neighborhood.
There's.
Mommy,
it
mommy
depends on,
always wanted we should just.
it depends on the availability, right? So, there was.
Alright guys, so I just finished dressing up and I think this is giving very much cheap girl vibes. You know, I'm going downtown today, so I just decided to dress. I don't know what to call it. But yes guys, this is the look for today, and yeah, let's go downstairs. I had to like film for TikTok, so I wasn't able to like show you guys the full look, but yeah.
Talk my own, no silence. True story, we go touch them. True story, we got to know. I got like to know. For my soul.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
On the track.
Can you guys see the Trump Tower? Oh my goodness. Like, this is lovely.
And
We're touring the city, guys. Yes, so just walking around. I think this makeup looks very cute. So guys, we are at the park. This is cute.
How far you are.
Wait.
You have something.
I think this is it. It smells so good. So which one do you think?
I don't want to enter your video, so I
You can come here now.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah, this one is nice too.
Which one should I
are
get?
they?
It's like. Which one do you think I should get? Smell it.
This one.
This one. This one, right? This one is 68. So guys,
Hey guys,
we are
welcome to our
going
YouTube
to
channel at what's it?
talk. It's Lawa that's going to talk.
Oh, you like what just
Eating.
Hey
I'm
guys.
waiting for you.
I'm eating.
Eating.
It takes a while.
Okay, so we are going to watch Lewa play soccer. So this is the star in our family. She's a celeb. In case you don't know, in a few years' time, you guys are going to see Lewa, and I'm going to be right there saying, yes, that's my girl, that's my girl.
That's your girl.
So guys, I'm not letting you guys know because this is the next big thing, okay? Someone is jealous here.
Don't be jealous. Don't
Someone is jealous here, but I don't know.
look happy.
So my school, there's always a fight.
Why they fight them?
They were fighting.
You always play American music. So guys, we're going for hours practice. Yeah. Oh, sun.
Okay, guys, it's Dami Lawi. It's Lami Lawi.
You know the drill, guys. So guys, my name is Lamilawi. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Lamilawi. I just opened that account because my last account I forgot the password. Yeah, she wanna run up. So just make a video of me, so like straight video. So guys, pop off.
What is she doing? She has no idea what she's doing.
She
If she falls, I will laugh. It was really beautiful.
gently, not
Nonsense, girl.
Yeah, butter vanilla. I mean, not I mean caramel. Butter caramel, marshmallows and sprinkles.
No.
Dude, your phone is low.
Yeah, I think.
I want more
So the way my skin is shining. So guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Skin is looking like a glazed donut.
Correct!
Hi guys. So I'm sunburnt, like I'm sunburnt. I'm so stressed out. I don't know what I'm noising my stick on my stand. I'm going to the shade now. And I'm so hungry. I didn't eat before leaving the house. So like I'm starving like right now. But they are still playing. To be trying to adjust this. They're still playing ball, and to be honest, I'm not interested in soccer, so let me just go back to the tent and just rest. So that's the plan right now.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say, but everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who will stay. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was. You know it's not the same. Answer the phone. Harry, you're no good alone. Why are you sitting home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell, and nobody coming to help. Your daddy lives by himself. He just wants to know that you're well. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
Travel size free bag, and it's beautiful.
Oh wow.
You want to try one? Smells good. For 119, this is never going to be cheaper. Let me show you what it is. 147. Let me show you what the gift set looks like.
Yeah, I have too many.
The bottle by itself is almost 140. You get the free $38 travel. You get the free lotion with the free bag. We're doing engraving on the bottle, plus samples. It goes down to $119 today with the sale.
Wow.
Gals, Juicy Couture, that fragrance is called Noir. Noir is French.
Thank you. Alright guys, so this is how I look right now. I just finished doing my makeup and I want to take pictures. Yeah, I want to take pictures, so like I just decided to talk to you guys because I know I haven't spoken to you guys in a long while. Yes, I haven't. So guys, I'm going back home tomorrow, and to be honest, this trip has been very relaxing, and this was like the little break I needed, and I'm so glad I was able to have it. Yeah, I didn't really do much. I just yesterday I went shopping, I bought some things, and most of the time I've just been like relaxing. I didn't really do much, and it's been good so far. So today I'm going for Lewa's game, my cousin. I'm going for a game. After then we're going for dinner, and anyways, I'm going back home tomorrow. My flight is by 4:30, so yes guys. I wanted to keep you guys updated, and I like this makeup, I like this look. It's giving very much chic vibes, and I love it. So I just wanted to talk to you guys, know how you guys have been, and because I haven't spoken to you guys in a while, and yeah. Yes guys, so I just dressed up because I want to take pictures, and yes. So guys, yes, later.